Even though we shoot our videos in iPhone in high resolution, okay, we edit them, export them in high quality, and when we upload them on Instagram, post it with a very low quality or very low resolution. So now why this happens and how to disable that, or how to upload high quality videos on our Instagram on iPhone. So very simple process, very easy one, okay, easy steps. So start the video and check out. For that, do one thing, open Instagram, okay, go to your profile. On profile, at the right side top corner, you'll see 3 lines. Okay, just tap on that. Once you open the more options, now go and open settings. In settings, scroll down and find account. Okay, in account, if you scroll down, you will find an option called data usage, and just tap on that. And here you will find 2 options. Okay, use less mobile data and high quality uploads. So here by default it will be disabled. Okay, so whenever you upload high quality videos, okay, by default they get posted with a low quality. Okay, so here you can just enable that. So whenever next time you upload a high quality video on Instagram, okay, they'll be uploaded with a default or original quality, that is your high quality. So after enabling this, so whenever next time you upload your videos on Instagram, they'll be very high quality or the original quality from your iPhone. So I hope it solved your query. I hope it helped you. And like, if you like this video, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions, and other social media tips and tricks. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.